In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy skins on Skinport. It is super easy to do. So step 1 is to create a new account on Skinport with either your Gmail account, Facebook account, or Steam account. Step 2 is to find the item you want, either using the marketplace or search for a specific skin using the search bar. Step 3, you will have the option to sort your result to get the best float or the best deal for that specific skin you want. Step 4 is to buy your item. Once you have found the item, then you need to add it into your cart. Like any other shopping website, you'll also be able to add up to 40 different skins at once. When you have found all the skins you want, you need to click Proceed to checkout after clicking the cart up in the right hand corner. Here you will need to type in your credit card details, and when you have done this, you need to click Pay. So step 4, get your item to your Steam account. To get your new skin into your Steam account, you will need to go to Account Settings and fill in your trade URL. When you have done this, Skinport will send a trade offer to you, and you'll need to go into your Steam account and accept this trade. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!